Tay Kapuso, pahinang po ng 20 minutes ng inyong hapon. Ako po si Boy, and welcome to Fast Nay Tay Kapuso, please welcome Ding Dong Avanzado with his gorgeous daughter, Gina! How are you? Thanks, Dong.
Yes, there was a thing. I guess you could say that. I guess you could say that. You could say that.
Interview ang tatay mo.
Wala pang 5 minutes po, Tito Boy. Pinapakaba na
Yes,
natin.
we will
You know,
talk.
when it comes to things like that, with my dad and I, there was always this kind of like unspoken thing, I guess from a parent and a child, that sometimes I don't even have to tell him. He just kind of knows. And then later on, we do eventually talk about it as time passes.
I think they're more intimidated sa kanya than honestly that's how I look at it. The boys now, mas intimidated sa kanya na siguro maumpisa sila mag-a-attempt, pero after a while they'll I don't know what the word is, but they'll probably have second thoughts of chicken out because she's got a strong personality, she's got a good head above her shoulders, so I trust her that she will choose well. And yung kung ano man yung, syempre normal yun na you will get to meet boys and then they like each other and yung iba. But sa sinasabi ko lang naman sa kanya, know your responsibilities, your priorities, and enjoy life.
In terms of names, because para po sa akin, Tito Boy, I'm constantly competing with myself.
Okay,
I really say that, and I say that in a non-showbiz way because I'm always with the mindset that you're as good as your last project.
And
so you have to constantly be better. That's the thing na sinabi po sa akin ng nanay ko po na nung papasok po ako dito po sa industry na po, sabi niya, anak, handa ka ba dito sa walang katapusang pagpapatunay na sarili?
Wow.
Actually, that's a good point
Yeah.
that she said. Ako sa akin, Boy, yung sinasabi, yung biggest competitor niya, it's good she mentioned about herself, no? But honestly, whoever is out there, I think indirectly everybody's competing.
Of course. Or Prince.
That's a king.
All is pogi, all is cute.
All is cute.
25, 20 mil.
Depende. 25,000. Depende.
Takot kay mami o takot kay daddy, Jada? Mana kay mami o mana kay daddy?
Pareho, pero sige, mana kay mami na.
Jada, single or taken?
Same.
Oo. Kinikilig ka pa?
Kinikilig kapag nakikita ko siya.
Guilty or not guilty? Takot sa wrinkles.
Guilty.
Guilty or not guilty? Nakipag-date sa isang fan or?
Guilty.
Guilty, guilty or not guilty? Tinanggihan si Jessa.
Tinanggihan?
Yeah.
Na ano? Guilty.
Guilty or not guilty? Nakipag-date nang hindi nagpaalam kay mom and dad.
Guilty!
Hindi ka.
Guilty or not guilty? Nag-drunk call kay ex. Dong, lights on and lights off.
Both.
Happiness or chocolate?
Happy.
Best time for happiness.
Every time.
What's your favorite interview you've ever done?
Ako naman, kung ako magtatanong kay Boy, ang tatanong ko sa kanya, ano ang fondest memory? Kasi magkakilala kami since hindi pa ako sa nasa showbiz eh. So anong fondest memory niya sa akin?
It's so fun. I mean, I always say it's always a good conversation when it's with Tito Boys.
Yeah, and being with Jada, ang rapid nung mga questions. So talaga kailangan dito medyo mabilis ka mag-isip.
There's never a dull moment.
I know. Pero bitin, yun lang sasabihin ko. 20 minutes is not enough. But it's still fun because it's Boy Abunda who's interviewing you.